Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy an online course with Go1 detailed guide step by step clearly. To deploy an online course with Go1, start by creating a Go1 account. Visit the Go1 website and click on the sign up button. Fill in the required details, including your email address and password. Confirm your email to activate your account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Click on the Create Course button. Select the course type that best fits your content. Upload your course materials, including videos, documents, and quizzes. Organize the content into modules for easier navigation. Set the course objectives to ensure clarity for your learners. Adjust the course settings, including privacy and completion requirements. Utilize Go1's learning paths to enhance the learning experience. Preview your course to ensure everything is in place and functioning properly. Publish the course to make it live for learners. Promote your course using Go1's marketing tools. Monitor learner engagement through analytics available on the platform. Make necessary adjustments based on feedback and engagement metrics. Keep the course content up to date and relevant over time. Engage with your learners through discussions and feedback forms. Continue to improve the course experience based on user interaction and trends. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.